What you're looking at here, folks, is unprecedented in the way in which we've been able to give this customer the ultimate backyard transformation. That's right, we're bringing in a innovative way in which to deal with the landscape erosion. As you can see, there is a tremendous hillside erosion taking place. We were here just about 2 months ago. Maybe you've seen the video on our YouTube channel, maybe you didn't, but I wanted you to see exactly what we got going on today, because it truly is going to help all of our friends over at Brooks Landscaping University as you begin to try to figure out ways in which you can innovate in order to help not only save your customer with their landscape solution, but also give it to them in a more cost-effective way. And so as you can see, we have a good time out here when we're doing what we do, but we also make sure that we're giving our customers more. So this is exclusive for our YouTube subscribers. I want you to hit the subscribe button on the bottom. Make sure you go ahead and do that now. And then also, if you do any type of Facebook, check out the Facebook Watch. We're a syndicated show on Facebook Watch, over 1 million views. And definitely just all you have to do is type in Brooks Landscaping. But just to help you understand what you're looking at here, you got your dead man that go in on an offset position, and we put those in as we begin that first step in that initial retaining wall. And it's absolutely necessary, as it's going to add stability to your landscape, and then more importantly put you in a position to where you're able to ensure the integrity of the wall. And so as you begin to see us offset each one of these what we call dead man, you'll also see that they're nailed in, so that stability is going to be unprecedented. And it's also going to be backfilled with an aggregate such as a 57 gravel. It works very well. One of the reasons why we would recommend you using 57 gravel is because we're going to come in also and put a drainage system behind the wall. And so as you begin to look at this drainage system, you can see we use a perforated pipe. This perforated pipe necessary in order to be able to catch that water, and it's also going to just take it on the backside. We're going to have nice, beautiful Zeon Zorja sod everywhere you see dirt at. It's going to truly enhance this landscape in the utmost fashion. This is going to be a two-tier timber wall, where we're going to be going up to about 3.5 feet on each wall, and it's going to give that customer the outdoor landscaping that they so desire. Now I tell you what we were at when we first came out here. As you know, I want you guys to make sure you let your customers know as well, landscaping is expensive. And so oftentimes it's best done in stages, and then also it's best done with full awareness of what the conditions would require. This is what the landscape looked like when we first got here just about 2 months ago. We had to remove the entire backyard that looked like this. Brought in our Bobcat, did it, and then we found ourselves with the necessity to go into phase 2, which allowed us to put up this beautiful retaining wall. But in doing so, we would have had to overcome the challenges of going where the Bobcat can't go. That's what we do each and every time. It's what we've always done. And so just try to look for a way in which you can give your customer more value by coming up with a creative way to deal with your landscape. I'm just going to let you see what's taking place on each row. We're not only putting in a piece of rebar, we're also taking into it a 10-inch spike that's really ensuring that this wall never goes anywhere. And then it's also reinforced with this rebar and 57 gravel. The reason why we have our filter fabric back here is so that we would be able to make sure that we don't catch any of that dirt going into our perforated pipe, and so that won't happen now that we've been able to secure that with the 57 gravel, and then also ensure that we don't allow that to come through the wall with the filter fabric. And so these are going to be absolutely fundamental to-dos when it comes to your landscaping. And so definitely want you guys to continue to tune into our channel. Go ahead and subscribe. We're going to be putting up more videos. As I've said, if you go to Facebook, you can find us on Facebook Watch as a highly syndicated landscaping company. Simply type in Brooks Landscaping, over 1 million views. You'll be able to see how we've been doing this for a very long time, giving you before and after videos that truly help you understand the outdoor landscape transformations. We're also going to be bringing in crab orchard steps. Crab orchard steps absolutely necessary in order to give your customer a way to get from point A to point B. And so as you can see, they're going to need crab orchard steps in order to make it up this hillside area. Those are one of the objectives that we will be overcoming as we move forward. But definitely, as you can see here, it takes time when you are in a position of moving toward a way of giving a solution, and when you're dealing with water and when you have many obstacles to overcome. And so We encourage you to work with customers on a two-phase stage. We encourage our customers to understand that we work with you on a two-phase stage, and more importantly, we're prepared to work with you throughout the entirety of it in order to help you get the best outdoor landscaping experience. So we thank each and every one of you guys for watching us and continuing to follow us on our social media and as well as our YouTube channel. Stay tuned as we put this magnificent landscape transformation together. We're literally going where the Bobcat can't go, folks.